Okay, sorry po sa ingay. Pinagtatagtag ko si mama. Pray nyo na lang po. Mag-move tayo ng house po natin. Ito po yung pang-move ng house natin. So, maganda expression po tayo. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa yun. At ito po yun. Ready po yung kitchen. So,
okay. So,
kahit
can you please,
dito ay online po.
okay ma'am, just kindly transfer the call on my end right now.
So,
By the way,
alay
can I
niyo
have
pa,
the model
pwede ko
number
sa
of the television?
orange color. Kasi maganda siya. Taka dito.
My name's Jennifer.
At ito, yan, kaya natin.
Okay, thank you for that information. So kindly transfer the call on my end right now. Let me check here on my end. Thank you, ma'am.
Ito,
You're welcome.
pala di ko kalakay sa search ko. Dito, yan, sa mga orange. At ito ko lang dito.
You're welcome, ma'am. Hi, this is hi, William. This is Jennifer from Samsung Technical Support.
Ito, closest. Ito,
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
ganda at tampahan sa taas.
I can hear you properly right now, sir. Sir, let me check
Muntik na
here
mahulog.
first.
Dito yung rooftop.
The model type of your television. Just
Lagay
kindly
ko
bear
dito
with
sa
me.
mga
This is kindly
rooftop. Nakagain ka sa mga gawin ko.
She already, sir,
Gagawin ko siya.
provided to me the model number of the television. Just a second, sir. Alright, so here it goes, sir. Upon checking here on my end, the stand that comes with this television
Dito na ako pwede na
is
maayos.
actually, sir, for left and right stand. It's actually two legs for the left and for the right.
So, gano'n po tayo dito ng
Just a second, sir. Just a second. Let me check here on
ito naman. Lock ito Ano naman natin yun?
Sir, I'm just going to place this call on hold. Would you
Wala pa
mind?
kasi akong alam sa rooftop.
I'm so sorry, William. Can I place this call on hold just for a minute with you, sir? Would you mind waiting on the other line? Alright.
Kulang yung ay, otsa, may nakalimutan na ako. Hindi ko na tandaan. Nakalimutan ako. Yung bathroom. Palapis. Ayan. Wait lang, guys. So, guys, watch part 4, part 2. Kasi mukhang hindi ko di kasha. At, so, di kasha. So, living room. Ito na nga na female chair. Yan. Dito. Ito yan. Ito nga pala TV. Mag-iisip naman tayo. Yan. Surto na maayos to. Boto. Wala kang parents, san mo. Tara, pasok ka. Patayin kita. Joke lang. Wag. Uy, grabe ah. Pati actually, pero na ang ganyan. Tanggalin natin lahat. Wait. Hi guys. Lalaro po tayo ng Minecraft. Naligtad ko. At TV. Yan. Ayos na ang TV at mukhang parang kailangan kailangan penance na. Tulog ka na. Ay, kay nampas. At tulog na tayo. Umaga na. Kalam ko. Ano kaya puput ko dito? Ano kaya ba to? Hindi ko alam kung kaya to. Ganda. Grabe naman. Parang ito yung present dito. Ay, hindi, government ata. Government. Parang pare. So actually, malapit na po mag-Christmas. So,
Hello, sir. Sorry for the long
enjoy your
Okay.
Christmas
Sir, you just
gift.
mentioned
Kasi
earlier
nag-enjoy
that
ko yung Christmas
sir,
gift ko.
the left and right
Kasi
that
Christmas
is
gift
actually
ko.
the same length
Diba?
and size, right?
Nagtanong ako kay ate. So, bibigyan niya ako ng
Hello. Yes, sir.
120 Robux.
Go ahead, sir.
Sarap nun. At kailangan natin yun.
Okay. Sir,
So yan. I-fix ko kasi ng maayos yung bahay ko guys. So,
sir, the long side would be actually, sir, go to the back. And the short part would be actually on the front. That's how it's supposed to be installed on the television itself.
at thank you pala yung nag-subscribe. Kasi may nag-subscribe
Yes, sir.
ng one video ko. At if we got 2 subscribers, sige. Oh, ito galing. Pumatay ka. Spirit of Diyos. Pumatay ka na yun. So, parang lalagay ako ng linagay.
Sir, there is actually
Yan. At, huwag natin madikit.
just a second, sir. Yes, sir. I'm still here. I'm actually checking your on my end, sir.
Yan.
Sir, there's actually
At parang
a
pupot ako
spoon
ng little
that
fountain.
comes with
Sorry,
on
hindi ako
that
magaling
comes with
mag-build.
the
Pero,
Are
if
you
you
able to see
enjoyed the video, then like and subscribe. Guys, I dare you. mag-subscribe. Wait, what there? Ano? Tagtan. Laki nito. At okay na. Ay, hindi. Hindi okay. Kailangan natin pati ito. Dito ang pesto dito. Yan. Ganda ng palang design. Nice.
Because sir, upon
Bana
checking
ako.
on the product image here on my end,
At,
on the left and right
guys,
legs,
ito na yung
the longer one
video
would
po
be
natin.
actually
I
at
hope
the back of the
enjoy
television.
ng video.
And the short
And I hope
side
you
of
like
that
and
leg
subscribe
should be
para
on front.
magkaroon po tayo ng maraming subscribers. At thank you po yung nag-subscribe. Shout out po sa mga nag-subscribe. At